Hi, today I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why Excel is good but the enemy of great. First, Excel is not a collaboration tool or database. Copying data from multiple Excel spreadsheets introduces data errors, version control issues, and leads to unreliable reporting. Second, Excel isn't compatible with good data governance. Data sitting in file shares, Dropbox, and email introduces data security risk. And third, errors to complex algorithms or calculations compound through the organization as spreadsheets get reused. The right technology partner knows it will be nearly impossible to introduce an alternative to Excel. A good alternative is to build a data platform where users still use Excel on the front end, but data is centralized in the data platform on the back end. Having data in a centralized platform means building business intelligence reports becomes a cinch.
For more information, visit our website, ECLEVA.com.